Hello everyone, I would like to introduce you a little bit about a plugin that is very useful tools for fonts design, right? This plugin is called FontSelf, okay? You can find it on the official website FontSelf.com here. And this plugin can be used both with Illustrator and Photoshop, right? The pricing is pretty cheap in comparison with Font Labs or Grips. And however, that's one thing, okay, that is pretty an issue is that it at the moment it doesn't support non-Latin typefaces, okay. So if you want to design like Thai or Chinese character, it's not possible on this platform. So but for Roman or Latin character is it's work very well, and you can do it very quickly in comparison to like other software. But in terms of it's like a alternative way to design fonts, all right. However, it's not like a industrial standard software to use, all right, at the moment, okay. But however, they said that they're going to develop it, okay, and make it better. So it keep getting better and better. Right now, we can also design like a colorful font. So firstly, you have to design all the glyphs, okay, basic glyphs. You must have like the upper cases, the lower cases, and the number, okay. And where is FontSelf anyway? After you install it, it's in window, right? It's in window here, okay. Go to extension here, okay. FontSelf maker will be here. You open it, right? So this window will pop up like this. It's very easy to use. Firstly, what you have to do is select all the upper character over there, okay. And then can you see this on FontSelf, right? There's a capital letter here, okay. Just click that button, click it, okay. So FontSelf will import all the character inside, okay, FontSelf. Make sure you design all the character on the same baseline, right? It's going to be easier. Make all the measurement and make everything equally like this. Yeah, now we have all the capital letter inside FontSelf. Then after that, just select lower cases and select this button, okay. Just click it and wait for a while, right? It's going to import all the lowercase letter inside of FontSelf. And next we're going to import numbers and other characters. So select the number first, alright, and go to the number here from left to right. It's going to be easier if you kind of like place all the alphabet and number into places, alright, in alphabetic orders. Okay, now we have number. Next, what we have to do is import other characters, okay, other groups like this. We have this, right? Select it, and do you see bash here? It's where you put all the any character, accent, punctuations, okay, anything that you design, okay. Just click it, wait for a moment. It will import all the characters. And you can also design like ligatures and other stuff too, okay. Very interesting, right? And you can also adjust the letter space, line space. You can scale your typefaces too, okay, by clicking the plus number, okay, here. And it's going to increase the letter spacing between character or the line space, right? And if you want to like adjust it manually, you can kind of like drag it, okay, or delete some of the character here as well. And they're going to have like preview here for you to see, right? So the next thing that you have to do is name it, okay. Just click on font info here, click it. Put your information here, like the family names of the fonts, okay. It's going to be like, my name is Farida, okay. I'm going to call this font Frida. It's italic, and you put all the designers names, you know, and all the details here. It will show up when you export it as a font. Okay, maybe you put all the, you know, your website or something. It's going to be very useful for people to find your you know, to find your work. Let's say, I don't know, I will come up with something. Okay, and you could, you know, put the website of like a website that you sell the fonts on, right? Like monotypes or DAR fonts or whatever it is. Okay, and you can like write something like a copyright, or write you know, the condition about the license, like whether it's Creative Commons or is a commercial one, right? You can write it down here, and then you go back to the original, and next you have to like save it. Just click save. Okay, it's going to be OTF. OTF is open type features fonts. Okay, it's one of typical fonts files, right? That is very useful and very popular to use today. And you just save it, and that's it, right? It's very easy. But of course, if you use FontSelf or FontLab, right, it's going to be more difficult. Just be prepared. Okay, it's harder than this. However, if we speak about FontLabs, okay, in terms of like the whole function, it's better than using plugin like this. Okay, we have more option on kerning, right? And we can also able to write some programming. Okay, do some programming on Python to adjust the kerning and make the typeface more stable. Okay, from my you know, notification, I feel like doing the fonts, right, by using FontLabs. Okay, that is less errors. Okay, sometimes bugs happen. Okay, sometimes it just happen, but since it's like a professional tools, okay, for font design, and it's kind of like work very well when you design font. So I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, for FontSelf is for anyone who want to make typeface quickly, and if you decide to use it, it's pretty cheap and it goes very well with Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. So I hope you like it. Have a nice day.